Ever tried to stream Netflix overseas and got blocked? Or felt sketchy about public Wi-Fi at the airport? Yeah, that's why you need a VPN. But here's the catch, most VPNs charge monthly fees forever. That's why I switched to FastestVPN, and I'll show you why it's actually smarter in 2025. In this quick video, I'm going to break down why I recommend FastestVPN as the best budget VPN for most people this year, especially if you're working remotely, traveling, or just value your privacy. So here's what a VPN actually does: encrypts your connection so no one can snoop, unlocks region-blocked content, lets you browse safely on sketchy Wi-Fi, protects your data while you work remotely, and FastestVPN does all this for like $20 lifetime. Compared to services like NordVPN or ExpressVPN that charge you $12 per month, FastestVPN offers lifetime access for a one-time price, 10-device support, streaming access, Netflix, Hulu, etc., no logs. It's honestly 90% of the performance, at 10% of the cost. So who's this actually great for? Travelers, digital nomads, side hustlers, gamers, anyone on a tight budget, basically, yes, you. To get started, just click the link below, choose your plan, download the app, and click Connect. That's it. You're now secure, global, and unrestricted. If you want a VPN that doesn't cost you monthly, go grab FastestVPN while the lifetime deal is still around. The link's in the description, and I've also included a full breakdown guide for extra details. Thanks for watching.